To finish our tic-tac-toe program, you'll be interested in checking for 3 X's or 3 O's in a row, which is when someone wins. Here's an example of a game in progress. So now grid 1, 1 is equal to the character X, and grid 0, 2 is equal to the character O. And as the game progresses, the grid fills up with these two characters. Here's a finished game with 3 X's in a row vertically. It's easy for us to see that X's have won here, but how can you tell the tic-tac-toe program to detect this win? You'll have to check the character value of the grid at the indices 1, 0, 1, 1, and 1, 2. And you need to check if they're all equal to the character X. And if they are, like in this case, you can declare this a win. Besides this win condition with 3 X's in sequence, there are a lot more to check for O's and for horizontal and diagonal wins. For your project, you should cover all these win conditions by helping to complete a function called checkGameWinner. And we've provided a little bit of the code for you. This function takes in the 2D character array as a parameter. This is the grid that stores the characters X, O, and the dash character. It also returns a string named result that tells us who's won. If you detect 3 X's in a row, the result string should be X wins, and this function should return that. If you detect 3 O's in a row, then this should return O wins. You should also handle the case where the tic-tac-toe grid is full of X's and O's, but the game is a tie, because there are no places where X's or O's are 3 in a row. And in this case, return the string tie. And in any other case, just return the string none, which is what this incomplete code does right now. But before you get started on this code, let's look at how to check for one more tic-tac-toe win condition.